array function in the Google Sheet. In this video, I will suggest to you how to use if array function in the Google Sheet. So this is my example. Column C and column D, I use the same. But column D, I use the if array. You see that here. I use the function VLOOKUP here and look up or call data from the student info. The same. But this is the difference. One, I don't use if array. And two, example here, I use the if array. If I use if array, it doesn't show the error message to me. But here, I don't use it, and the message pop up in cell. So how can I do it? Okay, short, I will to show you. I will remove this function from this cell. Click on the first cell here and press equal. Tap if array function. Click on function here. Next, tap VLOOKUP function to call data from student info here. I press VLOOKUP. VL. Okay, so this is the function. You can click, choose it. Okay, ready. Click on ID, the first student, comma, click on digit, student info, select all, press key F4, comma, tab number 2. Number 2 is mean they want to show if the ID match any student, show the name of the student, and the name of student is stay at column B. So I need to tab number 2 like that. Okay, next comma and 0. Close brackets 2 times. 1, 2. Finish, press enter. Okay, so this is the same function, the column C, but also I just pull this function down. All the cell has the function. Okay, you see that the result doesn't show the message pop up in cell like this message error. You know that. So back here, I summary to use that. If you use if error, it means that we want to remove the message like this. And the most time that we use the VLOOKUP, we should be use the if error to close the message. Okay, if we have the ID any student in here, you know that it will show. Okay, you can try with this if array function in the Google Sheet. Okay, so this is the example. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video. Bye.